Friday.
Happy Formal Friday!
This is gonna be a thing forever.
I don't know.
You know, with the everyone doing this quarantine, you and I were talking that really it hasn't changed our routine even one bit.
No, not really. Well, except for how many times we go into town. We'd probably go into
Yeah.
town like once a week, and now we're...
Because we were going to town to meet people. You were meeting somebody who was teaching you how to knit and how to dye. We would go get Wi-Fi. We might get a couple of fun snacky things, and now we're just like, we don't need to go to town, so we're not.